I'm making a short video here of how to test a Whirlpool direct drive wash machine motor. Now before you do that, you should obviously already have checked that it's not your lid switch. That's hot wired, so it should work. I've also checked through another video how to test the capacitor. Now that is plugged in now, but the capacitor is good. Okay. I've checked to make sure that this is your water pump, the one that gets rid of all the water, that it's not obstructed. I can't seem to do it right now, but this thing, yeah, it will turn. You may not be able to see it, but it's alright. There's nothing in there blocking that. You know, I got on here, and this thing looks okay. That's the whatever that thing is called, and these go on the motor end, and you know, they basically go together like that, and there's nothing broken there. The couplings or whatever that thing is called, they're fine. So it leads me to believe that it's the motor. Now the motor has to be removed from the washing machine, and you'll want to check up on that process. Now to test the motor, we plug it back in. Okay, there's a couple of ways to do it. I'm going to tell you that the easy way is just to start it and see if it spins on its own. Now the other way is to actually give it a little twist by hand, but you'll want to be careful doing that. And, you can hear it humming, and I'm going to give it a little... Oh. Well, you know, this thing, when it does spin up, now, there we go. Try it again. See, now you can hear it too. I'm going to turn it off, but it's making a sound, and it's not smooth. You hear it going. Okay, that tells me there's something wrong in here, and I couldn't tell you what that is. It may be a fix somebody that knows about these motors can take care of, but I think if I look on the internet, I can probably find this thing for relatively cheap. But it's definitely bad, because now if I go to turn it back on, same thing, and I have to turn it off because I left it on before, let it run for a bit, and I could smell it. So I'm not going to keep running this thing. I just wanted to shoot this video. So like I said, if once it's out of the machine, this motor, assuming that the switch is on override and your capacitor is good, the motor should spin up on its own, being out of the machine. And if it does not, then more than likely your motor is bad. Thank you for watching.